Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, November 17, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, November 17, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 17, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, November 17, 2024. Here are my tonight's jackpot estimates for Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for November 17, 2024, Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, November 17, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.